Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upload a pre-recorded audio to your Instagram. Whether you're a musician, podcaster, or just want to share a personal message in a more creative way, this tutorial is for you. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure you have your pre-recorded audio ready on your phone. If it's still on your computer, you'll need to transfer it to your mobile device. Also, ensure you have the Instagram app updated to the latest version. Instagram doesn't allow uploading audio directly, so we need to convert your audio into a video. You can use any basic video editing app for this. Once you've exported your video, open Instagram and tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to upload to a new post. Select the file you just created from your gallery, then tap on next.
Hey everyone, welcome back.
Now choose the frame that you'd like to display as the cover. This is especially important if you've added informative or attractive visuals. Now proceed as you would with any other post. You can add a caption, tag people, or add a location if you wish. Finally, share your post. Your audio is now live on Instagram. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to share your pre-recorded audio on Instagram through a video format. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips.